Say we take an 800 square foot patio. That's pretty typical in the market as far as a residential application. Is an 800 square foot patio in the backyard.
Yep.
It's a 2-man crew, takes 8 hours to install, which is a total of 16 labor hours worth of their time to install that 800 square feet. If we take that same application, 800 square feet, the same 2 people installing, but using the multi-6 to actually install the product mechanically, you're looking at 2 hours of install time, 4 hours of total labor. So the 2 people, 4 hours total. That's a saving of 12 hours. So you recovered 12 hours worth of your labor.
So if I can save 12 hours, even if it's just 12 labor hours a week, times 40 weeks, that's 480 labor hours that are saved across a year. 480 labor hours divided by 8-hour work shifts is 60 work shifts. Divided by those same 2 people is 30 days. I just gained a month.
I hope you enjoyed this little intro. If you're interested in the full podcast, which I highly recommend you watching, check it out below. If you also want to see a comparison between the multi-6 head and also laying by hand, be sure to check out the video here. If you're interested in the multi-6, you can call the number on the screen. Myself, Caleb, we'd love to have a conversation with you, showing just how it can benefit you and your company, whether it be small jobs or large. It's an amazing tool. We, in fact, have contractors that want to keep it a secret because it's so effective for them and they don't want their competitors having this edge like they have. So, hope to hear from you. Thanks for watching this week's Tip of the Week, and I'll see you next week. You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our Tip of the Week.